I have this Rainbow vacuum cleaner that I've been doing some repairs on, and I got another one to do with the power nozzle. It's an E-series power nozzle, and problem is with the wheels here, where they are just breaking up, starting to come apart, just like the other wheels. You see a big chunk out on that one there. So I got some new replacement wheels here. They're wider than the original, but they say they are a direct fit. So I don't really care if they stick out here a little bit, as you can see. I'm going to replace these, and I'll show you how to do it. So I got a different view here. We're going to take this wheel right here off. I just got a large screwdriver. It's got a big head on here. I'm just going to put that in between the wheel and the housing, and just going to push out on it and just force that wheel out. You can see here on the new one, it's got these little ridges on here that hold it in place. So we're just going to push that right out. There we go. You can see it's pretty much the same. The end is a little different, but we'll see how it fits in there. As long as it fits tight, that should be all that matters. I'm just going to put it back in and just force it in place. Easier said than done. Doesn't want to go. Same diameter. Still turning okay. I don't want to bang a hammer on the edge of it, so maybe what I'll do is I'll put a clamp on it to push it in place. Alright, so I've got a clamp here. I'm just going to put this clamp on and hope that I can just force that in some by turning it. Oh yeah, you see it moving there. There we go. Oh yeah, still moves. Doesn't stick out too much farther. So that's what we wanted. So now I'll do the same thing on this side here. Okay, a little closer view here. You can see the tire, the wheel, how it's all banged up. Just going to put the screwdriver in the gap right there between the housing and the wheel. Just force it out. Just like that. Put the new one in. Put the clamp on it. Put the clamp on and just slowly tighten that up to force it in place. There we go. Here's a close-up view of the wheel after it was put on, and it doesn't stick out too much from the edge, so it shouldn't cause any issues at all, but it still moves pretty nice. Okay, hope this helps you if you have to change your wheels on your Rainbow Vac. Thanks for watching.